Candles glow, your laughter shines. Another year, another line. Stories written side by side. I'm glad you're here in my life. Your gentle smile lights the day. The world feels brighter in this way. No treasure is worth more than your name. I'm grateful you came. So let's raise a glass tonight to the joy that you bring into mine. Happy birthday, love, it's you I celebrate. Every heartbeat sings, it feels so great. For the gift of you, I'll always say I wanna share this day, year after year. Through all the seasons we have grown, your hand in mine feels like my home. The years may change, but still I see you're everything to me. So let's paint the sky tonight with the colors that your soul ignites. Happy birthday, love, your light is true. Every melody returns to you. For the gift of life, I'm glad you came. I'll sing this song each year, calling your name. And when the candles fade away, my wish is simple, it will stay. That we'll keep dancing through the years with laughter, love, and no fear. Happy birthday, love, the world feels right. Every candle shines, your eyes so bright. For the gift of you, I'm endlessly glad. Every year with you's the best I've had. Happy birthday, love, forever near. I'll be here to sing it loud and clear. For the gift of us, I'll always know we'll celebrate each year as we grow. Shoelaces tied, breeze feels new. Sidewalks hum, a silver hue. Windows blink in slanted light. No one else, and that feels right. Shutters creak and curtains sway. Coffee scents from blocks away. Even the lamppost seems to breathe, as if the world believes in me. No need to rush, no need to hide. I'm walking out with open eyes. The air tastes like a second chance. My heartbeat finds a steady dance. Each footstep says begin again, and nothing's holding back the day. Mailbox flags and birds in sync. Faded chalk by the skating rink. A stranger nods, the silence grins like something good This I feel it's not by chance. It's built from choosing where I stand. So let the sun stay out of frame. I don't need gold to stake my claim. This simple calm, this bold release is all I need to walk in peace. And if the day should bend or break, I'll hold this calm for my own sake. One step, one smile, and I'll remain walking forward through the rain. You tied my laces, one loop, then two. Laughed when I fell, then carried me through. The scent of sawdust, your calloused hand, taught me to build without demands. Now I watch small fingers reach for mine. He stumbles forward, same crooked line. The echoes linger in the quiet hall. Your voice still answers when I call. And I didn't know then what I was holding. A weightless gift, unspoken, golden. Love isn't loud, it's passed down slow through things we do, not things we show in bedtime songs, in broken toys, in whispered pride, in silent joys, and I carry it now without a sound. This love you gave, so safe, so round. You never said much, but you were there, in coffee steam and the kitchen chair. You fixed my bike, then stood aside, let me fall just enough to find my stride. And I see it now in a smaller face, the same wild grin, the same quiet grace. Love doesn't shout, it settles in through scraped up knees and crooked grins, in Sunday walks, in waiting late, in letting go, yet holding faith. I pass it on like you showed me how. This quiet truth we're sharing now. Time doesn't ask for grand displays, it just remembers softest ways. The pat on back, the patient breath, the things that echo after death. Love isn't new, it's always been in worn out shoes and stubborn skin. Sometimes I see the blur of everything you used to be, alive again inside of me. So I pass it on with trembling hands. The love we built still gently stands. It wasn't thunder, it wasn't rain, just the sound of my name on your lips again. You walked in like a half-finished song, and suddenly I knew where I belonged. The room didn't spin, the sky didn't break, but something inside me refused to stay fake. Your laugh rewrote the rules I knew, like a secret only meant for two. I didn't see it coming, no signs, no trace, just a ripple of warmth through a silent space. When colors collide without warning and silence begins to sing, that's when I knew I was falling, not in love, into everything, into the way you looked at me, like I was already where I should be. You weren't trying, you just were, and my world tipped on a single word. You said hello like it meant more, and I forgot what I was searching for. I wasn't prepared, no armor, no plan, but I'd lose every battle just to hold your hand. When colors collide in the stillness and time forgets to move, that's when I knew I was helpless, not for you, for the truth that something rare had found its name in the way you never played again. No fireworks, no movie lines, just the hush between our signs. But in that breath I saw it bloom, the start of me because of you. When colors collide in a whisper and the air begins to bend, that's when I saw us together, not beginning, but past the end. Like we'd been written in reverse, every heartbeat, every verse. When colors collide like a memory, still happening now and then, that's when I know unquestionably I'd fall for you again and again. Not in love but into fate. With every breath I hesitate. You walk ahead with quiet grace, each step a bloom in untouched space. I watch the light upon your face and feel the calm within the place. You hum a song without a name, it melts the weight I cannot name. No need for words, no need for fame. You are the warmth inside the flame. If skies forget to stay so blue, I'll still believe.